Hey guys, how's it going? How to buy Namecheap hosting. So first of all, log into Namecheap, alright? And then navigate to hosting, go to the hosting section, and on the Namecheap website, choose a plan that fits your need, share, VPS, or WordPress hosting. Click add to cart for chosen plan. Review your order and proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details and confirm the purchase. Your hosting plan will be activated and you can start setting up your website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.